Ladies and gentlemen, as the smartly turned out cadets march onto the parade ground, the Naval Academy band strikes up the marching tune, The Rise of the Brave, a stirring marching composition inspired by the immortal spirit and patriotic fervor of the Indian Navy. As the music rises in grandeur and the columns advance in perfect synchronization, the parade ground stands witness to a proud transformation from cadets onto officers of character, courage and commitment.
Each day spent in the academy becomes a test of one's mettle and capabilities. And as they are put through the paces of their training here, they do realize every day that the only easy day was yesterday.
In the Navy, parade signifies discipline, intense coordination, teamwork, and a sense of pride. Discipline from within has been the crux of training at the Indian Naval Academy.
Leading the parade this morning is the proud parade commander, Midshipman Kuldeep Singh. Following him is the Guard, which is commanded by Academy Cadet Captain Pratham Nath and Academy Cadet Adjutant Sahil Malik. Midshipman Kuldeep Singh was the Academy Cadet Adjutant in the previous term. He holds a proficiency of half blue in physical training and was a flag cadet in his 5th term. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief Southern Naval Command Trophy for the trainee standing first in the overall order of merit amongst 40 trainees of the 110th Indian Naval Academy course is awarded to Midshipman Udayveer Singh Negi.
It is both a singular honor and a profound privilege to be present at the Indian Naval Academy Azamala and review this passing out parade. The magnificent parade witnessed this morning stands as a testament to the discipline, resilience, efforts, and professional transformation that has shaped these passing out courses and prepared them to shoulder the responsibilities and honor of commissioned service in the Indian Navy, the Indian Coast Guard, and in their own navies abroad. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the passing out courses, all 311 cadets and midshipmen, including 6 trainees from friendly foreign nations. My compliments to each and every contingent on parade for their immaculate turnout, exemplary bearing, and fine standards of drill displayed today. The smartness and precision of this parade reflects the determination, perseverance, and spirit with which each of you has embraced this demanding journey from civilian life to commissioned service. To the passing out course, I say this: today marks a defining milestone in your lives. The Antim Pag, which you will take today, does not signify the end of training. Rather, it is the beginning of a lifetime of service, leadership, and unwavering commitment to the Indian Navy, the Indian Coast Guard, and to India herself. At the same time, the character of warfare and maritime security is undergoing transformation at an unprecedented pace. Technology is changing not merely the nature of war, but its speed, reach, and its cognitive dimensions. Artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, cyber warfare, quantum technology, space-based capability, electronic warfare, unmanned platforms, and data-driven decision-making are reshaping the battle space before our very eyes. In such an environment, professional competence, intellectual agility, and technological adaptability will prove decisive. And it is precisely here that the Navy offers you, each of you, an extraordinary opportunity. You will be joining a Navy that is modern, operationally capable, technologically advanced, and increasingly self-reliant. You're entering a service that values initiative, innovation, intellectual curiosity, and operational excellence. You will serve on board some of the finest and most sophisticated platforms in the world. You will work alongside professionals of exceptional caliber, and you will operate cutting-edge technology in service to our nation.
Look at each of these cadets closely and you will see not a boy or a girl, but an able military leader full of pride with passion in their eyes as they step past the quarterdeck and take their final step on Antim Pag.